Hello friends, in this video I will show you shortcut key to delete rows in Microsoft Excel. So easy and simple way to delete a row in Excel using shortcut. Firstly, select that row. Now press Ctrl key and minus sign. So that row will be deleted. You want to delete multiple rows. So firstly select, then Ctrl and minus sign like this. Similar way you can delete column. Select it, Ctrl minus sign. Multiple column, select, then press Ctrl minus sign. That's it. So this is the way, guys, you can use shortcut to delete row or column using the shortcut. Thanks for watching.